Hi, and welcome back to the Price Action Analyst YouTube channel. I am on Twitter now, so if you want to follow me on Twitter, I believe it's @PriceAnalyst. So any videos I post, I also generally tweet as well. I just want to do a follow-up on Cardano, ADA. So last time I did the video was the 28th, so the price action was where you see it on the screen. For the context, this was a consolidation pattern that had then broken out and was consolidating, and I was expecting price to push up and outside of this. So there was the push. And I told you when these happen, they generally happen quickly. So I hope I would have talked about if you wanted to time the entry, if price opens here or opens above and it starts to push up on the 10-minute bars and close on the 10-minute bars, close at the high on the 10-minute bars, then you want to hop on board that price action. So that would have likely triggered your entry. There's the next day. So, breakout and a mini retest, and then there's a pop. So, like I said, they happen quickly when they happen. There's also the volume spike there. And then today's price action. And so, a bit of a retracement. It's pushed down to the 50% level and come back up. So it's possible for price to continue on here. In fact, I would almost say that that is more likely. Remember that this is the projection for the upward move. I won't necessarily do that in a straight line, but it should get there. So we're currently at 1015, and this is in terms of Bitcoin, and we want to get to 1203 at least. And see, that puts us right at this area of previous high. So you're probably going to get some selling pressure there. Look out for wicks. If you're short-term trading this and it starts to make substantial wicks like that, you might want to just take your profits and then watch what happens after that. But price should move up there. I actually bought some Cardano as well. So after I did the last video and I was like, I should already be in this, I think I swapped SNT for Cardano. So I have been party to that, which is nice. But the more importantly to me is, I'm always what's the word I'm looking for? I'm always concerned that I don't just want to be making commentary on charts that have already happened and not be right to some extent about what's going to happen. And so I'm more happy to see that has happened than, price has fallen off, because I was very bullish on this chart. This is strength. This is upward consolidation, volume spike, reduced volume on the consolidation, and then a breakout and a strong push upward. So I'm more happy about the fact that I'm right, and not just to be right, but to, I'm hoping that this video, this YouTube channel is useful to people, as opposed to me just talking about chart patterns that are, have already happened, and then what I expect to happen not happening. So I'm happy about that. So now I expect price to get here. And again, don't expect another bar there. You might get, worst case scenario, you get a retracement down here, but that's not high probability because of this strength. This strength, you'll get retracements like this that try to push down and they're pushed up. So, as soon as, if you were short-term trading, I would buy the break of that high and sell here. But that's, I think most people are not trading cryptos like that. I'm not. I spent a long time trading futures like that. It's probably a good career move if you want to shave years or decades off your lifespan. So I don't recommend it. I hold crypto, and I trade options more. I'm getting into debit spreads as a thing, but my point is I'm holding crypto long term. So I'm probably not going to exit this here unless it looks catastrophic. And if I catch it, I don't look at these every day. Like I'm on the options. I'm looking at the stock market every day, but I don't look at the crypto every day. I'm not trading it with those sorts of time frames. So I'm happy to hold it, up to here and ride out the retrace. Because my expectation, again, I'm holding crypto more like I'm holding gold and silver. This is a hedging strategy, but also like I expect to make money off of these based on what's happening to the currency. I've talked about that at length. I have no faith in what they're doing with the currency, with the fiat currencies, and I think that you're going to see what they're doing reflected in the gold and silver price, and you're going to see it reflected in particular cryptocurrencies. And also, I don't think Bitcoin is going to be the coin because it lost its ability to do, everyday smaller transactions. So something is going to rise to take its place, and it would be nice if I could be holding that, from an early stage. So that's kind of more my specific aim, is to be holding the next, in quotes, the crypto. So that's the other thing about doing this channel too that's been useful, is that through posting videos I can see where people's interest is. Like, if you look at the views on the ZIL and Cardano videos that I post, I mean, it's huge compared to anything else. So that's also a signal to me. Anyways, I would just wrap that up. Not too much to say about that. Just watch the second leg print in, and then, again, depending on your time frame, when it gets there, look at how it looks and consider your time frame and your goals, and decide what you're going to do based on the information that the price action is giving you. Anyways, please like this video if you liked it, and subscribe to the channel. That would be great. Follow me on Twitter, and any requests or comments in the comment section are appreciated. Thank you.